Hello students, in this particular video we are going to study how to convert general equation into center radius form of equation of circle. Suppose the general equation is, let us consider, take an example. General equation of circle is suppose x square plus y square plus 8x minus 10y plus 12 equal to 0. Okay. Then you can, the first step to convert this equation in the form, we have to convert this in the form center radius, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is what we need to convert. We have to convert what? We have to convert this equation in the form x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to radius square. This we need. Okay. So how to convert? When we observe and when we compare, we understand that this is in the form of whole square. So we need to complete the square by after collecting the terms. So let us do the first thing. First and foremost thing is to collect all the like terms. X square plus 8x, then plus y square minus 10y plus 12 equal to 0. So this, if you want to complete the square, do you remember in 10th standard we used to do half into coefficient of x the whole square, and then to add or and subtract or add on both sides. You solving the quadratic equation by completing square method. So that linear variable is x. Here we have to do the same thing for y also. So if you need to half, you just make it half and you square it and add on both sides. So if you half, just reduce it to half. Coefficient of x, what is it? 8. Divided by 2 is 4. What is the square of 4? It is 16. So x square plus 8x plus 16. You can do minus 16 also. Plus y square minus 10y. Just make it half. Half of 10 is 5. The square is 25. Plus 25 minus 25 is equal to plus 12, right? Equal to 0. This is how we have got. So this is nothing but what? X plus 4 whole square. We have got x plus 4 whole square, and this, if you just throw it on the right hand side, all the constants, and except this whole square terms, like this is becoming what? Y minus 5 the whole square. Y minus 5 the whole square. It is equal to what? This minus 16 and minus 25, when they are coming, they are going to become 41. Okay, and this 12 minus 12 will become minus 12 like this. So we can get, what is the answer here? What? 29. So we get the equation of circle as x plus 4 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square is equal to 29. Okay, so we need to understand always, whenever we are trying, we should understand that the center is what? It is of the form x minus h. So what is the value of h over here? Value of h is minus 4. Value of k is directly 5. The center is what? The center coordinates are minus 4, 5, and radius is root 29. That you need to understand. This is what the proper way of converting the general form into the center radius form. So if this is the thing, then you can easily convert all kinds of questions Like in exercise 11.1, you have question number 8, question number 7, 6, 7, 8 and 9. You can solve it. One such question we can do it, like question number 9, it is exercise 11.1 I am talking about. Question number 9 is 2x square plus 2y square minus x. I will just erase this. 2x square plus 2y square. You can also write it down and solve along with me. 2x square plus 2y square minus x equal to 0. Here equation of circle, the coefficients of x square and y square are same. If x square coefficient is minus negative, then y square also will be negative. If x square coefficient is 100, y square coefficient has to be 100. Then only it is, that is the identification of equation of a circle. Okay. So this is the equation. This is in general form. We have to convert it in what? Center radius form. So generally completing square method, it involves reducing the coefficients of squared terms, quadratic terms into 1. So if I write it x square plus y square minus x by 2, it's no harm because we need to make the coefficients of x square and y square 1 so as to use completing square method. Although it is not needed, if you are mathematically sound and you can convert it into whole square by converting root 2x whole square, and here also you can adjust root 2x 1 upon root 2 like that, well and good. But most of the students, they find it difficult. Okay, so for all it is a common method, you all can note it down. Now x square minus x upon 2 plus y square equal to 0, as it was customary for us to put it up together, all x terms, and now we apply half into coefficient of x the whole square and add that quantity on both sides, there itself and here also. Here there is no need of doing, the y itself is in the form of whole square. So it is, if you divide by 2, divide the coefficient of x is half, in fact it is minus half. If you divide by 2, it will become what? Minus 1 upon 4. What is the square of 1 upon 4? It is 1 upon 16. So just x square, we write what? X square minus x by 2 plus 1 upon 16 plus y square is equal to 1 upon 16. There is no need of, there is no linear term comprising of y. There is no term comprising of linear power of y. Okay, it's only quadratic term, already it is in the form of square. So there is no, you can write y minus 0 also. So its center is definitely having the y coordinate 0 because y square can be written as y minus 0. So now when you consider this, you will get what? X plus, this is minus a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Middle term is negative. So x minus 1 upon 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, it is equal to 1 upon 4. So radius is equal to 1 upon 4. Center is on the x axis. 1 upon 4 comma 0 is the center coordinates. Like this you can write here. Center is what? Center coordinates 1 upon 4 comma 0, and radius is 1 upon 4 unit. Like this you can convert center general form into center radius form. This is simply conversion techniques. There are so many questions, like one such question you write down: find the equation of a circle passing through points 4, 1 and 6, 5 and whose center is on line 4x plus y equals to 16. Okay, we'll solve this question. Okay, we'll have a question like this. Find the equation of a circle passing through 4, 1 and 6, 5 whose center is on line 4x plus y equals to 16. So actually, in order to find the equation of circle, we need how many things that we need to understand? We need what? we need center coordinates and the radius. So center is C. We need radius. So three things we need. H is equal to question mark, K is equal to question mark, radius is equal to question mark. So in order to find three things, we have got three distinct conditions which we have got. A circle passes through point say 4, 1 and another point 6, 5. Two conditions they have given. One condition, 1 point, second condition, second point. Then third condition, the center is lying on the line 4x plus y equals to 16. So if we understand it this way, like circle is passing through 6, 5, so that we can have its radius. Center is what? H, K. We assume it. Center C, H, K. Then we have another point, passing point 4, 1. Okay, suppose this is point A and this is point B, C. So CA solution. We can understand it very well that CA is equal to CB is equal to radius. It's very clear. So if you apply the distance formula, suppose we square it for our convenience, we square it. So we can see that if we assume, let the center coordinates be H, K and radius be R. So H minus 6 whole square plus K minus 5 whole square is equal to what? H minus 4 whole square plus K minus 1 whole square. So here, after observing this, we understand that after solving, here h square will get cancelled, k square will get cancelled. So what all things will get, we are left out with. Here, you can, as an easier method, I'll tell you, you can solve it like this. It is equal to what? K minus 1 whole square minus K minus 5. Want to find out relationship between H and K? Because we can have another equation, okay, through this condition. Relationship between H and K. So A minus B, A plus B will apply. So A minus B if you apply, H will get cancelled. Minus 6, minus of minus 4 will be minus 2. And then add up A plus B. Twice H minus 10. It is equal to what? Then again A will get cancelled. Then minus 1 plus 5 will be 4 times into K minus 1 plus K minus 5, that is twice K minus 6. So when you solve this, you get somewhere what? It is what? Minus 4. Okay. Then here it will be H minus 5. Here it will be 8. Taking out 2 common, K minus B. So after solving this, you get what? You can just note it down. After solving this, we get H minus 5 is equal to minus 2k plus 6, because it is going to cancel it minus 2 times, minus 2k plus 6. So we can write H plus 2k is equal to 11. This is equation number 1. And since we have got the center lying on this line, so the coordinates of the center will satisfy the equation of line. They are saying this is the line, for example, and its equation is 4x plus y equal to 16. Then we can write 4h plus k equals to 16. So I will write it here, 4h plus k is equal to 16. So when you solve this, you can solve very well. You can multiply it by 2. So h and subtract it. So we get h minus 8h minus 7h, 2k minus 2k will get cancelled. We have multiplied this by 2, okay, and it is 11 minus 32, like this. We can do it. So it is clearly h is becoming what? Minus 21, right? Minus 21. So h is equal to 3. Minus 7h is equal to minus 21. If h is equal to 3, children, then 2k will be equal to 8. 11 minus 3, 8. So k will be equal to 4. So k is equal to 4. We can easily write the center coordinates h, k. We have got 3, 4. We can write, depict it on the picture. on the diagram which we have got, and then easily you can find the radius through this particular equation. Anywhere you put it, you will get the radius. So, or you can directly apply the distance formula. So using distance formula, you can easily get the radius. If center and a point on the circle, you can get it easily. So you can easily see that if you apply distance formula, 3 minus any other point you can take and calculate the radius. 3 minus 4 whole square plus 4 minus 1. Here radius you can calculate and you will get what 1 plus 9, so root 10. So radius is root 10. So definitely equation of circle we can write it what 3 comma center is 3 comma 4 and radius is root 10 unit. Just a minute. So equation of circle with center 3 comma 4 and radius root of 10 unit is given by, we get x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. It is equal to what? 10 root 10 whole square. So this is the equation of circle. So like this you can solve other questions also, which are given like question, there are so many questions in exercise, and whatever doubts you have, you can ask. Is that clear? Okay. So in this way you can solve different questions related to different conditions. So that's what center lying on one of the line and center lying on x-axis, then center coordinates you can take it as like x comma 0, h comma 0. If the center lies on x-axis, then you can take h comma 0 and use different conditions. And like this, you just try this exercise, and whichever problem is there, you can find it out. We'll take another question wherein a circle passes through 3 different points, making intercepts, and that we'll do in the next video. Okay? Thank you, children.